I just kind of want to walk around so I can show you guys this volume. I'm so into it. Hello, my name is Jacqueline. I am a private flight attendant and welcome to my YouTube channel, Jacqueline Travels. Today I'm doing something different than my normal take you on a layover, take you grocery shopping, get a private airplane all set up type of video. I have actually partnered with TYMO and I am doing a review on their TYMO hair straightening comb. For those of you who watch my channel, you are well aware this is the first partnership that I have agreed to do. And there's a few reasons behind that. I've been approached a couple of times and I just felt like nothing really fit my channel or really benefit my viewers. And like even last week, there was a suitcase company, which how perfect would it be for me to sponsor a suitcase being a flight attendant? But they reached out to me. They wanted me to record a video. I took a look at the reviews of this company and I did not feel comfortable trying to suggest anything like that to you. So I've agreed to do this partnership for a few different reasons. One, I read the review of the products. It seems amazing. I'll let you know after I record my first review today how I feel about using it personally, but everything that I've seen before I started shooting this video, 2 thumbs up all the way around. Another reason why I agreed to do this is because my viewers are so kind and you have mentioned that you like what I do with my hair, whether I'm curling it or straightening it, and I just wanted to do a quick little hair tutorial. This is something fun. This is something new. I'm super excited to get into it. All right, so for my first impression of looking at the box alone, I love how this product looks. It's sleek. It's got this cute little pink highlight around it. Aesthetically, it's very pleasing. But if you look into more detail on the box, there are a few huge benefits on here. First up, it only takes this product 30 seconds to warm up. This is obviously very beneficial to me as a flight attendant. You guys know my schedule can change at any time. I need to be presentable and professional looking very quick. I don't have time to sit around and wait for a flat iron to warm up. So already, I'm a fan of this. The product's not very heavy, so packing it in my suitcase, not going to be a huge issue. I don't feel like I'm really toting around anything very heavy. A feature that I think we all can appreciate is it has an automatic setting to shut off. So I don't know how many times you have done this, but there have been many times where I've left my house freaked out that I didn't turn off my straightener and I've driven back home only to find, yes, my straightener had been turned off. I would have had such a peace of mind knowing that the product I use has an automatic shut off and I don't need to worry about shutting it off, leaving my plans, skipping out on a good time. And another good feature just from looking at the box is there are 5 temperature settings on here. So when I have my crazy Caribbean layovers and I really need the heat to get my hair straight and keep the humidity under control, I can turn it all the way up. If I'm having a casual day at home and I don't really want to put that much heat on my hair, or I just want to quickly style it out and smooth it, I can put it on a low setting. That's awesome. The straightener that I currently use has one setting, on or off. Whatever heat setting the manufacturer came up with is the heat setting that I use on my hair. I couldn't even tell you what temperature it goes to. It's just on or off. So now I'm gonna give this a try. All right, so I've already shown you guys the sleek packaging. Inside the packaging, here's what comes with it. There is a user manual. Basically, it lets you know how to adjust the heat settings on and off. It reminds you again of that amazing feature that there is a 30-minute auto shut off. And then there is a 1-year limited warranty. And this is something that makes me really happy. I travel a lot. I need to make sure my products will be working. So you can use this for a full year and TYMO has a limited warranty on the product. All right, now let's get this open. So I've already explained to you guys, it's super lightweight. It's sleek looking, like you could leave this on your bathroom counter. Not that I love clutter, but it doesn't look bad. It's super light. It will fit in your suitcase. And then a great feature that I'll talk about more is just this dome action. I feel like I'm gonna get so much volume out of my hair. Then there's just the power button, turn the heat up, turn the heat down, and your standard plug. Good looking product over here. This product comes with a heat glove to protect your hands. I will show you how I use this, but again, also super cute. It's got that pink and black theme. I love that. It's got a pouch to hold everything. I'm not sure if this is a heat resistant pouch. That's something I need to look up, obviously, before I put a hot product in here, but I can tuck it away into my suitcase. And then it comes with 2 clips just to separate my hair. All right, I'm in my bathroom now. I had this top knot going on. I grabbed just a paddle brush. I'm gonna brush my hair out. I'll show you what I'm working with, and then I'll show you how I make it all sleek and stylish with this TYMO brush. This is what I'm working with. Not cute. I'm not that kind of person who can just let their hair air dry. All right, I've sectioned off my hair using the clips that were provided for me, and now I have the product plugged in, heating up, ready to go. Again, it's only 30 seconds, so I'll be filming here soon. What I'm most excited to figure out though, I have a ton of hair. Super Italian in the hair department. I might look light, but if you were ever to feel this mane, you would know that's an Italian girl right there. So I'm curious to see how many times I have to brush over my hair to make it sleek, if I have to use a thick section, if I can use a thinner section, just basically what it's gonna do to all this hair on my head. Let's check it out. One sweep. Works well. I mean, so far. Do a thicker chunk. I like it. My critique right now is the glove, and I'll wait until I'm done with this section of hair to explain that so I can show you. But I like it. It straightens my hair, it looks sleek, and then I can do like a nice little bend at the end. What I want to say, I'm just going to say it to you in the mirror. I wish the grip was not on both sides. I don't know, maybe like stripes would be better. I feel like it's pulling at my hair. It's not anything that's painful. It's just like a noticeable thing that I would change right now. But that wouldn't be enough for me not to use this. I'm actually really liking it. And I like that dome. I feel like I can lift my roots up and like pull my hair away from my head so I won't get that stick straight sort of look. And like if you guys have watched my videos, I use a straightening iron all the time, but I use it to curl my hair. And I'm not the kind of person who could just wear their hair like stick straight and no volume. It looks great on some people. Casey Musgraves is a perfect example. 70s hair does not work for me. I need volume. I need roots away from my head. And if you can see, I know you can't feel my hair, but this is a really thick section that I'm doing, and there's no problem. Like I haven't had to go over any section more than one time. And I like that it's a continuous motion. I feel like, unlike a straightening iron, I'm not trapping my hair between 2 heat plates. It's moving through. I feel like that's probably less damaging. And then just at the end, I get that little bit of curl, which I'm super into. Just brush the tops and keep it nice and straight. All right, I moved back into my kitchen because the lighting is better, but this is what my hair looks like now that I am done. I timed it. It took all of 6 minutes to do all of this hair. I loved it. The bottom section that I had separated from the top half of my hair at first, I think I broke that up into 6 different sections and just one glide from each section. And that was enough to tame like all of that crazy that you saw in the beginning of the video, but also look how much volume I have. And like not just at my roots where I lifted it up, but I feel like, I don't know, this portion of my head, my hair has really good volume there. And it feels soft. The ends look good. I like how you can just do that little flip under. The one thing I wanted to talk about, you can't brush your hair with it. It wasn't grabbing the strands of my hair. So I did have to go underneath. Like I would have to lift my hair up and put the comb underneath and use it that way. But I think overall it looks great, especially not being able to like technically do the top layer of hair, like it straightened the underneath layers of my hair. But I'm happy, I'm liking this. All right, I just took a little moment to feel myself, to feel this hair. I hardly ever wear my hair straight. That's gonna change. I will be wearing my hair straight now. And I also love this because, again, I mentioned like I cannot wear my hair straight. It falls flat against my face. And for me, that's not a good look. Like I need some volume, and this gave me the volume. But I also love that I didn't blow dry my hair. I just took it out of a top knot, and I was able to get this sort of volume without using a blow dryer. So obviously that's something that's great for me on the road. I don't have to pack a blow dryer or use those blow dryers in the hotel that always manage to like suck in my hair into the back filter of the dryer. I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about. Like now I can just go to bed with wet hair. That's what I did last night. And it will look crazy. You guys saw that it looked crazy. And then I can just quickly style it in under 5 minutes with all of this hair. All right, so my honest review of the TYMO hair straightening comb. This thing is awesome. It's for sure a time saver. I loved really everything about it except for the glove. Whatever, I kind of understand why those silicone dots are there. Your hair won't slip out of it, and it is just one extra layer of protection to prevent burns when you're using this product. But this thing is awesome. It worked for my hair, my crazy hair. Definitely 2 thumbs up. If you guys want to try this out for yourself, I put the link down below for you. TYMO has also presented me with a code. It will save you guys 10%. That code is Jacqueline, Jacqueline. Here's a picture. That means you can get your own TYMO for the very low price of $45. That is not a lot of money. That's a huge selling point for me actually, besides the product being great. But my personal flat iron is a Chi, and those things are over $100. And I actually think this worked better than the Chi. Like I said, I don't even use that product to straighten my hair, which is what it's intended for. I use it to curl my hair because I can't get a good high volume straight out of that. So this thing was awesome. Again, I'm gonna put the link down below for you if you choose to get your own TYMO. Once again, don't forget to use the code Jacqueline, you'll save 10%. Also, please give me a thumbs up for this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you're looking for me on social media, my Twitter is @JackTravels. It's JAC Travels. My Instagram, Jacqueline Travels, just like it is here on YouTube. Thank you guys very much for watching. Thank you to TYMO for sending me an awesome product that I'm really excited about endorsing. I can't wait to have more straight hair days coming up. Everyone stay safe out there, and thank you again. Bye.